Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Naveen and you're watching Capsule Pharma News. So don't wait and let's Friends, today in this video we're going to know about a short-term 3-week online course on patenting. So don't wait and let's get into it. And coming to the details, Principal KM Kundani College of Pharmacy is organizing a short-term 3-week certificate course on patenting and commercialization of herbal products. Friends, these are the course outcomes, that is basic understanding of patenting and commercialization of herbal products as mentioned in the title, and understanding about the National Biodiversity Authority procedures while patenting, understanding claim draft, etc. And the eligibility for this is research scholars, master students, final year UG students, industry professionals from pharmacy, life sciences and Ayurveda. And the course methodology, friends, how the course will be done. Register for the course. First of all, you should register for the course, and the course fee is 1062 Indian rupees inclusive of GST. Friends, these are limited seats only. In case if you have any queries, you can contact the numbers given here. The course will be 12 classes via online platform by the industry professionals. Friends, I want to deliver the information very clearly so that you can understand what the course is about, so that I am taking much time to explain all these things. Friends, the course will be via they will be going to be organizing a 12 classes via online platform, and they are also keeping a assessment test, that is via multiple choice examination, and after clearing the examination you will be get certified. And the schedule of the classes is from October 2020, from 17th October 2020 to 8th November 2020, every alternate day from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. via Google Meet. Friends, the last date for registration is 15th October. You can register yourself by the link in the description. Friends, you can also see the course contents here, that is concepts of patents, patent searching, patent drafting, patent filing procedures, patent prosecution and case studies, patent prosecution, herbal drug patenting, case studies, Natural Biodiversity Act and patenting. Friends, they will also demonstrate how patent e-filing is done and NBA application e-filing. And friends, coming to the mode of payment, you should pay the payment via the details given here in the brochure. You can see here payment in the favor of Principal KM Kundani College of Pharmacy, B Farm UC, current account number, and here is the account number, that is Axis Bank, and they also have given the IFSC code, to that you have to pay your payment. Friends, if you have any details or queries regarding this short-term 3-week certificate course on patenting and commercialization of herbal products, you can contact the numbers given here in the brochure. You can see the numbers at the bottom. From there you can contact them. Thank you friends for being patient and watching till the end. Thank you.